everyone, this is Karim. Today I am going to discussing about key components of Power BI desktop. There are three key components available in Power BI desktop. First one is Power Query. Second one is Power Pivot. Third one is Power View. Power Query used to perform data transformations. And it is one of the most important component of Power BI. Helps to extract data from different data sources like Oracle, SQL, Excel, Cloud database, Salesforce database, and Azure database, and AWS databases, and so on. And also use it to perform to data cleaning process. And second component was Power Pivot. Used to perform data modeling. And it create relationship between different tables. And third component is Power View. It is used to create visualizations. And it provides an intuitive display of data. And retrieves the metadata for data analysis. Views are interactive in nature. This all will be happening in Power View component. Based upon these components, we are going to developing one Power BI report. The developing of Power BI report is the collection of components. The development life cycle of the Power BI having 4 stages. First stage is data discovery, data modeling, data visualization, and distributing the reports. In Power BI development life cycle, the first stage is the data discovery. Everything in data discovery begins with connecting to the data. We need to create a data connection to the data source from Power BI. Power BI can connect to virtually any type of data sources like flat files, databases, online services, others like web feeds and R script, Hadoop, all will be possible in data discovery. In data discovery stage, the cleaning process of data will be happen in query editor window. And second stage is data modeling. In data modeling, we are going to creating relationship between different type of tables. And we are going to establishing the connection between one table to other tables. And we have to see the what is the present data view. The specific table all will be happening in data modeling stage. The third stage is data visualization stage. Also we are calling as the reporting view. The visual representation of the data. So with the help of the inbuilt charts, we are going to designing one visualization report. That will be happen in data visualization stage. After developing of our report, we need to share that particular data or particular data report to all users or all peoples. It will be happen in distribution of report stage. We are going to discussing in detail about what is data discovery functionality will happen in the specific Power Query editor. The Power Query editor contains general and basic transformations. Let us assume I am having one table. I am going to uploading the particular table in my Power Engine. I am going to removing some columns in my table. I am going to doing any sorting operation in my table. I am changing some column data types in my table. I am promoting the second row of particular table to first place, first row of in my table, and duplicate of my table, move the table from one position to another position, renaming the columns, moving the column from one position to another position, and also renaming the columns. Also I'm going to performing in my tables in transformation level. That will be happen in query editor window. In query editor window, we are going to performing basic transformations. This is the few example of some operations we are going to perform in the transformation level. In Power Query Editor, interface contains 6 components. First one is the toolbar. Second one is the query pane. Third one is the formula bar. Fourth one is data preview. Fifth one is the query settings. And sixth one is the applied steps. In toolbar, it contains all query editing tools to perform the transformations. This is toolbar, the options available in our query editor window. You want to load any new database or new data source from your Qlik engine, you can go in new source option is available here. You can click new source option and you can upload in new file in your Power Query editor page, or you can upload the particular file in your Power BI engine. And also you have to create one in one table, instant table in your Power Engine. Also, you can choose enter data option is there. You can create instant table also with the help of that option. And also it will be possible to see the data source settings, and also it will see that manage the parameters and refresh of the particular databases. And you want to see the whatever the tables or whatever functions or whatever codes you are used in your particular query editor, that all will be visible in advanced editor. You can click advanced editor, it will be show you and enter M code, whatever columns you are pulling and whatever the operations you have done, everything will be available in that advanced editor screen. You want to perform any operations in that specific table. Let us assume I selected one distribute table. In the table, I have multiple columns. Distributor ID, distributor name, and Jan, Feb, March, April, May. There are few columns available. I want to perform some operations based upon my requirement. I need to perform some transformation here. When I am doing any operation, that come under the transformation process. So when I want only for distribute ID, distributed name and John related 3 columns only I want to upload in my Power Engine, then you can choose columns option and you can select the whatever columns you require, you can select that. I don't want some columns, I want to remove some columns. Select the remove column option. You can delete that, remove that particular columns in your table. Such operations is happening in this particular toolbar or ribbon component. Not only for few, we have multiple because based upon the data type, that is the test related database data type or numeric data type or date related data type, based upon your the column related data type, it will having multiple operations possible to do here. You want to split the column, you can do it. You want to group the multiple columns, do it. And replace value function, you can do it with the help of replace value the operation or value option is there. You can choose that one, you can do it. And I want to merge the multiple columns, also it will work. I want to append the queries, I want to append the multiple tables into a single table, that will also possible to perform in the toolbar and ribbon option, ribbon component options available here. This is the first component of particular Power Query Editor window. Second component was Query Pen. It contains the list of all queries and tables. Whatever tables you are uploading in your Power BI engine, that all list of table names will be visible in Query Pen component. Coming to third one is formula bar. When I am going to performing some operation and I am going to doing some formula, I am going to performing some operation with the help of some M code expression. that will possible to do in this formula bar place. Coming to data preview, we can preview the first 100 records of data. When I want to see the entire the table related information, but it's not possible here, it will be showing you the 100 first 100 rows of data will be visible in this particular component. Coming to query settings, it contains table name and property. That's the dedicated table related properties and the particular names related information will be available in query settings. When I want to change the distribute table name into the another name, it will possible to perform here, and also it will having all properties in the specific pane or specific component. Coming to applied steps, it contains list of steps when I am performing one operation in my table. I'm adding I'm adding one I'm adding one another table into my existing table. That particular step also recorded in this particular place. That is called applied step. Whatever operations you are doing in this your transformation layer, all the dedicated table related the steps also will be noted in this particular applied steps component. Then we are going to moving in the second stage and third stage related information. The data modeling and data visualization. The data modeling and data visualization we are going to create at the Power BI main window, which contains 6 different parts. First one is the menu bar. Second one is the view table. View tab, also view table also we are saying. And third one is the canvas. Fourth one is the pages. Fifth one is visualizations. Sixth one is the data fields. In menu bar parts, we have different type of options available. You want to create, you are going to create any measure, you want to create any uh, uh, any any type of quick measure, and you are going to publishing the app, and you are going to adding any text or any images or any visualizations or and the source related things, and enter the data like that. In Power Query screen also we have manually in the instant table creation also possible, that will also possible in main window also. This is the menu bar. It contains different type of options. You want to pull the data from the different data sources, you can choose the get data option and you can upload the particular table in your Power BI engine. This is first part. And coming to second part, this is the view tab. It contains different types of views. First one is report view. In report view, we are going to create different type of reports and visualizations. Second one is data view. In data view, we are going to view the data from different tables or different queries. And third one is relationship view. In relationship view, we are going to define the relationship between different tables. And fourth option also available, that is query view, DAX query view. The DAX related concept will come now. I will explain about the DAX related query view topic. And third part is Canvas. It is the work area in the Power BI build the visualizations. This is work area. In this place, whatever charts or whatever filters you are going to using to develop your report point of view, this particular place is dedicated to create the visualizations in our Power BI desktop engine or Power BI desktop window. Fourth part is pages. In first page, I'm creating one landing page. Once you are clicking the button to navigate to the different type of pages. Suppose example, in my landing page, I'm having sales, sales button and profit button and budget button. There are three buttons are there. When they are selected in sales button, the sales related information page is there. It will navigate it to the particular sales page. Unlike that, in budget, this all budget related page will it will navigate it to budget related page. Like that, based upon the requirement, we are going to creating the multiple pages for data visualization point of view. In Power BI, for the initial development, we are going to performing across multiple pages. We need multiple pages to do final or to create one report based upon our requirement. Coming to visualization. The visualization part is the important part for for Power View point of view, because we are going to showing the visualization part is showing the data in visualization format with the help of different type of charts. There are few built-in charts available in Power BI. Based upon the requirement, it will possible to upload the custom extension charts also here. That is also free only. With the help of these charts, we are going to developing one report which contain all the default visualizations supported by the Power BI and also different option to create visualizations. Last part is the data fields. In data field part, we have all kinds of whatever tables we are uploaded in our Power BI engine. The all tables and the dedicated field names all be visible in this particular part. So this is the data field part. This is overview of how the tool look like, what type of components, what type of options available, each and everything we discussed detailedly. And in upcoming section, we are going to do practical sections to understanding how it will work, where we need to use that one. This all will be discussed in upcoming sections. Thank you for watching.